In today's video, I will be walking you through how to use Voyant's investment return insight. If you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to navigate over to the profile icon in the top right of your dashboard, go to Preferences, and ensure that your inline help has been turned on. This will give you access to all of the various help links within the software. If we take a look at the plan we are looking at today, we can see that Mr. Collins is starting to run out of funds at age 84. What I'm going to do is go over to my Insights tab, select the Investment Returns Insight. You'll see once you've turned on inline help, all of these little dotted underlined help links. You can just click on that and you'll be able to access more information about the. Now I want to click Get Started because I want to see what rate of return is required in this plan to get rid of that shortfall. So this will run all the investable assets, and we can see we're getting a required rate of return of 6.52%. We can compare this simulation to our base plan, what we have currently modeled in the plan, and you can see age 84 in the base plan, they begin to run out of money, and in the simulation with the higher rate of return, they are able to get rid of that shortfall in the plan. If you want to see what's going on underneath the surface, you can click on Year View, go to your Pensions tab, and you can see the net growth rate. That's going to be growth net of fees that's being modeled. It's being modeled throughout the lifetime of the plan. You can also see any withdrawals or contributions. I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right, request support, enter your message into the text box, and share client access. Thanks for listening.